The theory of planned behaviour and how it impacts our attitudes towards rewilding. What is the theory of planned behaviour? The theory of planned behaviour is a psychological theory that aims to explain and predict human behaviour based on individuals' attitudes, subjective norms, and perceived behavioural control. While it may not explicitly be designed to address environmental or conservation issues like rewilding, some of its concepts can be applied to understand why effective progress might not have been made in rewilding efforts. How the theory helps us understand why effective progress has not been made in rewilding. Let's look at the three factors. Attitudes. If individuals or communities have positive attitudes towards rewilding, they're more likely to support and participate in such initiatives. Conversely, negative attitudes or misconceptions about rewilding can hinder progress. Understanding the public's attitudes and perceptions is crucial for a successful rewilding campaign. Subjective norms. The subjective norms component of the theory refers to perceived social pressure or approval or disapproval related to behaviour. If there is little social support for rewilding or influential groups opposed to it, progress may be slow. Public perception, media coverage, and the influence of key stakeholders can shape subjective norms. Perceived behavioural control. Perceived behavioural control involves a perception of one's ability to perform a behaviour. In context of rewilding, if individuals or organisations perceive significant barriers such as a lack of resource, legal obstacles, or technical challenges, it can impede progress. Conversely, if there's a sense of control and capability, progress is more likely. Motivation. The theory suggests that individuals are more likely to engage in behaviour if they have a strong intention to do so. In the case of rewilding, if there's a lack of motivation or if people do not see the value and benefits of it, progress may be slow. One study performed by Justin Webb looks into urban rewilding in relation to adaptation to private gardens. This research aims to investigate the potential impact of behavioural changes among Londoners in rewilding their gardens to enhance biodiversity, resilience to climate change, and overall well-being. The research employs a theory-based intervention strategy addressing a gap where theory is often not linked to intervention development in environmental behaviour studies. While research concentrates on London, the authors argue that context and precision are crucial in understanding and changing behaviour. How understand the theory makes it clearer for what sorts of future intervention might be more effective. To understand why effective progress has not been made in rewilding, research and practitioners could apply the theory framework by conducting surveys, interviews, or other research methods to assess attitudes, subjective norms, perceived behavioural control, and intentions related to rewilding initiatives. By identifying factors that contribute to support or resistance, conservationists and policymakers can tailor interventions and communication strategies to overcome obstacles and promote rewilding efforts effectively.